guys, how are you? It's Shilpa here. Well, we all have those days when we're like, kuch meetha to hai khana, but calories bhi nahi hai badana. Correct or not? Well, today's recipe is something like that only. Today I have a very special recipe which is healthy banana bread, and it's without sugar. So, all the sweetness in this bread is from really ripe bananas. So, get really ripe bananas and let's get in the kitchen to bake.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Start by mashing the bananas with a fork or a masher. Add eggs and mix. Next, add the olive oil and mix. Here I switch to a whisk to help me mix things better. Add vanilla essence. Now mix. Add cinnamon powder, baking soda and salt and mix everything really well. You're just gonna mix everything. Now add almond flour. Again, you gotta mix. Now add oat flour. Mix so that everything is incorporated well. Finally, add in the chopped walnuts and give it a good mix. Now pour the batter into the greased loaf pan. Bake for 45 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. When the bread cools down, remove it from the pan. Slice and serve. Enjoy!
So this is the final product and it looks absolutely delicious, and let's see if it's delicious or not. Let's give it a try. It is actually very amazing. Not so sweet, not so bland, and not so savory. Oh my god. The flavors are really amazing. You really gotta give it a try. Hi there. You can be good by liking my video, but you can be awesome by subscribing to my channel. So go subscribe. Bye bye.